Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV, slightly smaller than the X3. The X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cold weather package. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.